without further ado, I'll introduce Mayor Scott Decker to come forward and get over the law.
Raise your right hand. On my honor, I, Cooper Cray, will never betray my integrity, my character, or the public trust. I will support, obey, and defend the Constitution and the laws of the United States, the state of North Dakota, and the city of Dickinson. I will always have the courage.
Turn your body this way. Swing like that. And swing the other way. Just like that. Come on. Dead.
Turn around.
Oh, hey.
Put your hand behind you. Thumbs up.
Yep, if a car comes by, then you just hit that button and then it tells us how fast they're going. So, okay, hit the button. See, now right here, see it says 37. So they're good to go. 35 mile an hour now. Another one's coming, they're 36. Hit it again. Okay, and now they are speeding because they're in the school zone. So we'll go ahead and stop that car. Okay? Okay, I think it looks like today here.
Oh, sheriff's there.
Yeah.
999 PD.
Oh, they're calling you. They say go ahead.
Go ahead.
The report of a possible bank robbery at the American Bank Center on 1st Street West. Possible bank robbery, American Bank Center, 1st Street West.
Alright, what? Everybody remain calm and no one's gonna get hurt. Just stay where you are, keep your hands behind your back. You be careful. Watching you. Remain calm, and we'll be out of here, we'll get our money, we'll be gone, nobody's gonna have to get hurt.
Oh, we gotta go. The cops are here.
I'll protect this. This was my idea.
Police department.
Wait. I'm not going in.
Hands up.
No, it wasn't my fault. I didn't do it.
Hands up.
I didn't do it.
Hands up.
You never know. No, we don't.
Hands behind you. Hands up. Hands behind your back. Turn around.
You caught me. I thought we'd get away with it.
Hands